Let's move on to the next question. That is, we are in the part 3 of the video, which includes the 1 mark questions of 8th class Punjab School Education Board of Mathematics. Question number 11. Find the volume of a cuboid having dimensions 4 meter multiplied 2.5 meter multiplied 2 meter. Since we know the volume of the cuboid is multiplication of all these length into breadth into height, so doing the calculation here on this side, you can see that is 4 multiplied 2 meter, which will be equal to 8 meter, and further multiplying it by 2.5 meter and removing the decimal, we'll have 10 in the denominator, and 25 multiply 8 is 200. So cutting 0, we get 20, and since it is the volume, so it will be 20 meters cube. So option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 12. What is the value of 3 power 3 whole power 1? Since we know the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power m multiply n, that is the powers get multiplied. So 3 power multiply, so 3 power 3 multiply 1, which will be equal to 3 power 3. Here, this is answer. And when we check the options, we have 3 power 3. And if the option were something different like this, we can further solve it. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, which is equal to 27. If 27 were in the option, then this would have been the correct answer. But now we have 3 power 3, which is much easier than this. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 13. 3.03 multiply 10 power 6 is equal to, we know now that we have to simply multiply it. So seeing the options, it is very easy for us. So removing the decimal from here, we have 100 in the denominator and multiplying it by 10 power 6, and cutting zeros, we have 10 power 4 only. So 303 having multiplication with 10 power 4, which will be equal to 303 0 0 0 0, that is 4 zeros in the end. So we have, it's like if we put the commas here, we'll have 30,30,000, right? And so that is option C is the correct answer, which have 4 zeros here. Now fourth question, 2x power 2 x plus 1 into x plus 3 divided by 4x into x plus 3 is equal to, that is we have to divide it. So keeping the first term in the numerator and the second term in the denominator and cancelling x plus 3 with x plus 3, x with 1x and 2 with 4, we get x over x plus 1 over 2. That is option D is the correct answer of question number 14th. Now question number 15. The common factor of 2x, 3x power 2 and 5. Since we know there is nothing common in this, so the first option that clicks into our mind is 0. But this is not the correct option, because 0 merely deceives us. इससे हमें बहुत जल्दी से गलती लग सकती है. And we know the common factor is 1. So we have to tick the option number C, that is 1.